Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just want to apologise in advance if you happen to hear any car noises. I live in a noisy street and, well, people are still driving about even in a pandemic. I have for you another deep clean with me. This time obviously we are now in the bathroom. If you have seen some of my previous videos, you would know that I have been in a really bad place and therefore my house has unfortunately suffered with that along with my mind. So I am now just trying to get myself out of this rut and deep clean and just trying to get everything negative and make my space and living space a clean environment to basically try and help me have a clear mind. Again, this is going to be like my kitchen clean with me, where I'm not going to be talking throughout it like I usually do with my clean with me's. Instead, it's just a chilled one and just basically watch what I'm doing. I do almost die in this video, heads up. I was trying to basically clean the ceiling because I have damp or mold, I don't know which one it is. So I was trying to clean that, and me, obviously being the genius that I am, tries to hold on to grip while on the ceiling. A wet ceiling, I might add, so obviously I'm slipped and could have crashed my head on the toilet. Luckily that didn't happen because, well, I don't know who would have found me. But I hope you like this video. If you like this style of clean with me's, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and I shall see you next time. Bye.